How to fix Instagram. The story is unavailable. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device. Now, tap on General and then on iPhone Storage. Here, scroll down and find the Instagram application and tap on it. And tap on the Offload App option you see there. Offload the app and reinstall the app again, as doing this will clear the cache in the application. Doing this will also free up storage used by the app and will further fix the bugs in the app. And if your issue is still not fixed, go ahead and make sure you are using the latest version of the application. To check, open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for Instagram. Make sure the app is up to date. Mine is showing update here, so I will go ahead and update the app further. For the app to perform smoothly, you have to make sure that you are using an updated version of the application. So this is how you can fix Instagram. This story is unavailable. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.